Let us solve this equation. To do it, remember it's not quadratic, but a cubic equation. So what it here will be x cubed minus 16x equals to 0. Bring out everything here. So by me looking, this x can be factorized. So you have x here into x squared minus 16 all equals to 0. And you can write this one to the power of 2. That means here equal x into x squared minus 4 squared equals to 0. So we're going to apply the properties of differences of 2 squared. That means here you can write it as x into x plus 4, x minus 4, all equals to 0. So from here, x is equal to 0, or x is equals to minus 4, or x is equals to 4. And that is the final answer. Bye bye.